This is a follow-up video to the one that was posted quite a while ago to show off our 3D printed Electromechanical Enigma replica. As you can see, in the meantime it has gotten a case which gives it a lot better and classy look, in my opinion. Now, I promised myself never to do that again since the build was quite ambitious. As you can see, promise is made, promise is broken, it has gotten a sibling now. I was toying with the idea to make a 4-rotor version for quite some time. However, there are no schematics for that one available, so I had to rely entirely on photos. While the standard 3-rotor version was used by the German Wehrmacht, the 4-rotor M4 was introduced later in the war and was used primarily by the Kriegsmarine, especially on their U-boats. It features the same 3-rotor stack, but adds an additional static 4th rotor, which is a bit thinner and was called the Griechenwalze because of its Greek numbering. It was a design requirement to keep the overall dimensions of the machine the same, so the reflector part had to be redesigned and made a lot thinner to give room for the 4th rotor. To use the machine, you have to choose the correct rotors and their sequence, set to correct ring positions, and insert the stack back into the machine. Now you can dial in the initial positions of the rotors and then start decoding the message. Now, as you can see, the machine works actually quite reliably, as the other one does. It features the same removable keyboard assembly, which makes it easier to see and understand the inner workings of the machine. And since it has the same overall physical dimensions, it fits the same case as the M3. So many thanks for watching, and please read the comments at the end of the video and in the video description.